So now I'm going to show you how to install the front shock tower gussets. They will help provide structure, just tying in a little higher on the strut tower to the frame. Obviously we got about 1.25 inch gap in the bottom, but they also provide a little bit of flare to your engine bay, help spice it up a bit. So the first thing I'm going to do is place it on, check the fitment, everything looks good. I'll take a Sharpie and I'm actually going to mark where I will be welding so I can grind the paint away from that area and not have to grind too much extra. I'll just have enough. So I'm going to do the 3 holes put there to plug weld, stitch, 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 and I'll run it along here and here. Take the grinder, prefer to use a wire wheel or some kind of like buffing pad. I don't have one with me, so I used a grinding wheel, as you can see, and I just barely touched it. You don't want to remove too much material to where you weaken the points that you're actually welding to. I'll set the gusset on just to test fitment. Looks good. I have removed the paint from all of the areas I'll be welding on. So now I'll fire up the welder, tack it, and get to laying some beads. Alright. Got it all tacked, everything looks good. Now I will lay the welds. And there it is, the front shock tower gusset. All welded in, stitched on the left, plug welded and stitched on the frame. And for an overall little bit of flare to the E36 engine bay, aside from the pretty boring passenger side as you see here.